Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by identifying your GPU and Windows build so you get the correct driver. This avoids mismatches. Open Device Manager or run dxdiag and read the display entries, then make a system restore point. Once done, close Call of Duty and any overlays to prevent conflicts, and free at least 5% disk space so the installer can unpack. Make sure your internet is stable. You will download a 100+ MB package for modern cards, so watch progress and don't interrupt. Now you download the driver from the vendor app or their official download page. Choose the exact model and Windows 11 64-bit version. Use the app's Express or custom path and select Clean Install to remove leftovers. This reduces crashes in Call of Duty. During install, watch for warnings and let the process complete. After installer finishes, reboot the PC so kernel components load properly. Once rebooted, verify the new version in Device Manager to confirm success. Finally, you verify game stability by launching Call of Duty at medium settings and observing frame rates and crashes. This confirms the driver interacts well with the game. Make sure DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables are current, because missing runtimes cause errors. If you see crashes or black screens, boot safe mode, uninstall the driver, and perform a clean install or roll back to the prior version. This is the fastest way to recover and keep you playing without losing settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.